message. What is message writing? A message is a short piece of information that you give to a third person when you cannot speak to him directly. A message can be written or oral. What is the purpose of writing the message? Let's see. To provide information to the third person who is not available at that moment. For writing the message, we'll have to follow format. In the format, what should be there? Let's see. Firstly, we are going to draw a rectangular shaped box. In the top middle portion of the box, we'll have to write down message. Below the message, on the left hand side, leave one line space and write date. Below the date, leave around one line space and write time. Here some important instructions are there. Some teachers insist that the date should be written on the left hand side just above the salutation and time on the right side of the box. Do it accordingly. Now, below the time, write salutation after leaving one line space. Salutation is for whom the message is written. It's time to write body of the message below salutation. At last, write down the name of the person who is writing message. Let's see what should be there in the body of the message. So, the body of the message should include number 1, who called, reason why he called, and follow up if required. For writing the message, we'll have to take care of some key points. Let's see what are these. First one, present the message in a proper format. Second, try to keep the language simple so the person can understand. Third one, adhere to the word limit as given in the question. Fourth one, be precise and brief. There is no need to write down the extra information. And present the message within a box. For understanding the message writing, we have given here 2 examples. The first one with dialogue conversation and the second one simple question. These 2 types of questions are coming in the exam. So let's see. The first one, read the following conversation between Neeta and Mr. Soni. Mr. Soni is leaving for Kolkata within half an hour. So he shall not be able to meet Mr. Roy, but he leaves a message for him. Write this message in not more than 50 words. Let's see the dialogue conversation between Neeta and Mr. Soni. This is in question. Neeta, hello, is a 6459688 Mr. Soni? Yes. Neeta, could I speak to Mr. Roy? Mr. Soni, sorry, he is not here at the moment, but will be back after some time. May I know who is speaking? Neeta, I'm Neeta. Mr. Roy is my uncle. My aunt, Mrs. Roy, wants uncle to come home as there are some important guests at the moment. Mr. Soni, I'm afraid I shall not be able to see Mr. Roy as I'm leaving for Kolkata. You don't worry. I'm leaving a message for Mr. Roy before I leave. Neeta, thank you, uncle. Let's see what he has written in the message. For writing the message, as we have discussed, we'll have to draw a rectangular shaped box. So we'll have to draw a rectangular shaped box. In the top middle portion of the box, we'll have to write down the message. On the left hand side, we are going to write down the date. As today it is 7th May 2020, so we are going to write down today's date. Below this, the time, it is 11:30 a.m. Below this, salutation, Mr. Roy. Now body of the content, body of the message. Your niece Neeta called up to inform you that you are wanted back home urgently as there are some important guests at your home. Now the name of the person who is writing the message, it is Sony. It was the first example. Let's see the second example in which dialogue conversation is not there. Let's see. You are Vivek. You have received a telephone call for your friend Rajesh from one of his clients, Mr. Satish, that the meeting fixed for 10th May has been postponed to 15th May at 9 a.m. at his chamber. He added that he should carry his laptop. Write the message. This is the question. Let's see how to write down. For that, firstly we'll have to draw a rectangular shape box. In the top middle portion of the box, we are going to write down the message. On the left hand side, the date, as today it is 7th May 2020. Below this, the time, it is 11:50 a.m. Salutation, it is Rajesh. Body of the content, we are going to write down three things: who called, reason and follow-up. Let's see what it is. Mr. Satish called up to inform you that the meeting fixed for 10th May has been rescheduled to 15th May at 9 a.m. at his chamber. You are also required to carry your laptop. At last, we are going to write down the name of the person who is writing the message. It is Vivek. Let's see what are the points which we are going to remember. These are points to remember. No address to be written. Time and date when the message is written should be mentioned. Try to write the message in indirect speech. Put the writer's name or signature at the end of the message. Hope that you understand. Have a nice day.